Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, of course, commercial, still life. This is one of the Okinawan sake. Okay. I have this image for this today's subject, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. Well, but kind of. Well, we see the label. Well, but otherwise, I don't know about this old wood. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Well, I have two images to get something interesting, something different. Image. Try it. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna check blend mode, change this normal to, let's find out. Oh, screen. Real settle, nice colors, huh? Overlay. This is too light for this image today. Hard light. This one is pretty interesting. Vivid, pin light, nice colors. Well, luminosity has more interesting colors overall. Well, let's see it. Okay, I'm gonna make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image, then make it darker. One more duplicate, then change this blend mode to, okay, change to multiply, then merge down. Let's see. Well, duplicate this original image, then one of this original image move up over this luminosity effect layer. Well, I'm gonna rename. Alright, I changed all the names. Now I want to see this original image. Tone down about 50. Then let's see. We have luminosity effect layer as a base now. I'm gonna turn it off this group. Now then change overlay. This is interesting too. This color is interesting, but the name of the sake is a boss. Sake for boss. That's the name of this alcohol. So concept, if you think about the concept of this bottle's name, I don't know if it's go well with this kind of image, even though it's kind of, you see the details in the shape and stuff. So even though this color is nice and I want to use as an illustration image, but I wonder if this name, concept of the name, doesn't show much image of the boss. Well, Oyakata, that's the boss. Well, kind of heavy, and how can I express about the image of the boss? The image, that's hard to tell. Well, but interesting colors for illustration. Let me see if okay, let's fix this image as a one base. So I'm gonna make another group from these two. This one is 50, 60. Okay, original 50% opacity. Change blend mode to vivid light. Then make group, duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Now I'm gonna change again, change the name again. Alright, this is a vivid light effect on original image and the luminosity effect layer. This is kind of interesting colors. Now I want to break these groups. Turn it off, this group. Okay, let's move to show this original image under this vivid light effect. Now we are looking at this original image under this vivid light effect. Now I'm gonna get some dark area from this. So I'm gonna make mask this image. Now I'm gonna reveal this. Yeah, okay. Industrial heavy metal. This texture. Okay, same time I want to paint some image, so I'm gonna add layer over this. Now paint with different brush. Yeah, artistic, a lot of puna. Now turn on this mask. Then let's see, change the blend mode. Well, pretty interesting, huh? Divide. That's very interesting. Okay, change to divide, and I'm gonna keep on paint. When you paint it, the color goes to opposite way. So when I'm painting green, so turn into reddish. This key light has yellow in it, orange gel over the strobe head. So it goes orange-ish effect. Well, let's see, evolve. Well, I think spend all day long to play around with this color and the mask. So far, this is the original image, and I combined this luminosity. Well, actually, luminosity effect layer and original image combined to one image, then change the blend mode to vivid light to get this effective colors from the changing blend mode. Then I made mask to use this effect with using a brush called heavy metal. Well, concept is this is sake for boss, so more masculine type image. So I may decide to use this heavy metal image to make this mask to get this. Then now it's kind of a little bit soft image, right? So I add color with changing blend mode divide. It shows the opposite color, complementary color. When you add yellow, turn into blue. Like, let's see, this is the layer, then this is the blue background here. If I change divide to normal, it shows yellowish color, but green turned into red. So this is the effect, changing blend mode. It shows more. Well, hopefully it's kind of image of the power or something. Well, I think that's it for now. Still needs to add or mask or changing image, changing colors. Well, I guess that's it for today anyways. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, like adding colors, using mask with the interesting shape of the brushes, and thinking about concept as well. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.